Today's lesson essential question is, how do I use place value and a number line to round numbers? So today we're going to be rounding using place value and number lines. Remember, place value is the value of the place a digit has in a number. So if we had 233, the 2 is in the hundreds place, so that means we have 2 hundreds. This 3 is in the tens place, so we have 3 tens. This 3 is in the ones place, so we have 3 ones. And remember, number lines organize numbers from least to greatest. When we round to the nearest 10, we find the closest multiple of 10 for a given number. When a number ends in 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. And when a number ends in 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. Let's say I have the number 73. I see 73 ends in 3, so I need to round down to the closest 10. That brings me to 70. I can also see on the number line that 73 is closer to 70 than it is to 80. So 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70. I have this problem about how much money does this Xbox cost? I see the word about, which tells me I need to round because I don't want to find the exact amount. I want to know about how much. Looking at the Xbox, I see that it costs $345. Let's start by rounding it to the nearest 10. Here's 345 on the number line. I want to round it to the nearest 10. I remember that if I'm rounding to the nearest 10, if it ends in 1, 2, 3, or 4, I round down. If it ends in 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, I round up. So 345 rounded to the nearest 10 is 350. So if I round to the nearest 10, this Xbox is about $350. Now let's round it to the nearest 100. Here's 345 on my number line. When I'm rounding to the nearest 10, I need to look to the ones place. When I'm rounding to the nearest 100, I need to look to the tens place. I see I have a 4. Remember, if it's a 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. I see 4, so I know I need to round down. So 345 rounded to the nearest 100 is 300. I also can tell on the number line that 345 is closer to 300 than it is to 400. So if I rounded to the nearest 100, 345 is about 300.